I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Cali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Cali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bid Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select SliceWP. Connect. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. To complete the integrations, you must log into your site. Here are some advanced features. Under the action, click on the checkboxes, choose the status and type. Here is the conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to my other user site and fill up the forms with variable data. Submit it. Now go to your SliceWP dashboard. Navigate to the commissions. Here you can see that the commission was added successfully to the user affiliate. Thanks for watching.